In this video, I'll be showing you how to enhance low quality video in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And firstly is upscaling. So what you want to do is go ahead and find your clip. So let me just go ahead and just put this in. I'm going to nest this right now. So I'm going to go ahead to nest, and then we're going to call this test right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find it right here. Then I want to right click it, and then I'm going to see a lot of different options. I want to press new sequence from clip. And as you can see, it now looks like this. Now at the very top, I want to go to sequence and then sequence settings. Now, once you're here, all I want to go ahead and do is change the resolution target. So if instead of 1080 by 1920, I want to change it to 2160 by 3140. So 2160 and then 3140 like so. And then once you go ahead and do that, or 3840, I should say, that was honestly just my mistake. But yeah, once you go ahead and do that, it should be 9 by 16 again. So it's the same aspect ratio. And then all you want to do is go ahead and press OK again. And then once you're in the timeline, go ahead and right click, and then you're going to see set frame size. And all you want to do is go ahead and find set to frame size or scale to frame size. So now it's scaled to the frame size. So the best way to do this on whichever clip you're using, let's say mine is this one right here, because certain clips can look grainy as this one does right now. So what I could do is in the effect panel to remove any grain or noise is go over to the effect panel and type in median like so, and then go ahead and drag that onto my clip. Now, once it's dragged, I'm going to see it right here. And at this point, I'm going to be able to set the radius to 1 or 2. And basically I'm going to be able to change different things. So I can increase the size or obviously decrease the size, basically do it however I want. And obviously that's going to be kind of overkill, but you're going to be able to change it a bunch, and obviously just wait for it to, change, and then you'll be in a much better position. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting in the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.